This is an unusual hat called an alien elephant hat, or I'm not really sure, that's just the name we came up with. I've got a pair of 260s. Both are inflated almost all the way, about a half an inch or so left in the end. And then I've got a 5-inch round inflated to about 2.5, maybe 3 inches. Start with one of your 260s. Measure your child's head. I'm going to simulate there's a kid here. And then again, just make your basic helmet hat. Just like that. Now we're going to take our helmet and divide the top one into two. Set that aside. Take your other 260 and just take the two ends and tie them together, forming a large loop. Now what you want to do with that loop, find the midway point, divide it into two equal pieces, and just bring them together. Make you a figure eight or a bowl or whatever you want to call that. And we're going to take that and bring it through and attach it to that point where we divided the top one. Just like that. And you can leave yours like that if you want. What I'll do is I'll take and shape them. Just getting some sort of crazy shape sometimes, whatever you feel like. Kind of like that. Now you want to take, and whichever side you want to be your front, it doesn't really matter. And anywhere along the length of it, you can have them up close to the ears or all the way down towards the bottom or in the middle. Pick a spot and just twist off a little section like that. Now you're going to take your 5-inch round, and you'll notice I've trimmed most of the nozzle off so it's nice and clean. Divide that into two bubbles, and then twist those into that twist we just made there. And it gives it some really crazy eyes. Let's draw some eyeballs on there for you so you can see. And you can make those eyes as big or small as you like. If you want, you can put a mouth on there. However you want to do it. And you get a crazy little alien elephant sort of thing. Makes a really cute little hat.